Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to all of you. Okay, today we will continue for the last chapter, which is trends in cartography. Okay, you may refer to the slide, okay, in your future also from the Shah Alam. Okay, alright, so for introductions you can read also from the slide given there. We know or already know that from traditional cartography to digital and the information cartography, the world has made great progress in this field. So it's not just it's a popular, very popular field nowadays. Okay. Recently, with the rapid development of ground observations, computer, networking, communication techniques, cartography and GIS engineering, okay, geography information engineering is undergoing a more obvious development, rapid development, okay. So, with this achievement in cartography and press or printing technique, automatic generalizations of digital map, atlas, GIS software, visualization of graphic informations, visual geographic technique, okay, spatial data mining and knowledge discovery, uncertainty of spatial data and cartography theory. Okay, so the direction of this development is put forward by six field. So there is moving for the future, okay, assimilation of spatial data, geoanalysis and spatial data mining, geography information services based on internet, intelligence of spatial data generalization, integration of GIS and VGE. So what is VGE? What is VGE? Okay, you may find out later on. And the theory of cartography based on multi-pattern space-time integrations cognition model. Okay. So influential trends in cartography. So here depends on data, media and designs. Okay. So from the data is somehow hidden stories behind, and editing, and also how to make code or computations for the data manipulations. And then comes to cartographic data analysis. You have to make sure the visualization process, clarity, learn from the past or context from the previous maps or maybe display or presentations before this. Okay, cartographer, artist or graphic designer. So you may also become a graphic artist or graphic designer if you're more interested in this area. Then map. So map is suitable for time, design, current situations in our daily life, and with our nowadays is all around the world talk about COVID-19. So every day we have to monitor the development, the disease and so on. Interactions, personalized story. So behind the scene, what happened in here, what happened on our department or whatever, you have to monitor there. Certain user, who is your user, privacy, confidential or not, and also it's become evidence every day trends of the development. Is this dangerous for us or whatever? So this is some of the influential trends in cartography nowadays. Okay, next, the progress of cartography and geographic information system. So modern technique, more about integrated digital techniques, and nowadays completely used in map making and publications. So the serial scale digital topographic map database and the geographical database are being established now for all of the area. Research on automated cartographic generalization has broken through bottleneck and taken into practical use. Yeah. Okay, the press of state atlases, regional atlases, and professional atlases become another milestone of cartography. The domestic GIS software system became more force. Okay, spatial information visualization and visual geography from environment technique come into use widely. Okay, spatial data assimilation attract more and more attention. Okay, the development of cartography has been transformed from geographic information to geographic information in-depth processing. The grid and network-oriented geographic information system will be centralized by nowadays in our country, your spatial department, right? Okay. Rapid development of intelligent automated cartographic generalization will realize the automated map making, integrations of GIS, virtual geographic environment, and other technologies. Okay, so the terms in cartography and advanced technology. So GIS, as you know, is a GIS, right? Geographic Information System to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present spatial or geographic data in data or big data nowadays we call. Okay, electronic atlases are digital atlas which consists of a collections of map. It is typically a bundle of map of Earth or region of Earth, but there are atlases of other planets and there are satellites in solar system also. Geovisualizations, short for geographic visualization, refer to a set of tools and techniques supporting the analysis of geospatial data through the use of interactive visualization. Okay, what is 3D GIS? Representation of three-dimensional real-world object in a map or scene with elevations value, Z value, stored within the features geometry S3. Okay, you can find this in our software that you use. Okay, commercial software use. Okay, next is mobile mapping. Is the process of collecting geospatial data from a mobile device, typically fitted with a range of photographic, radar, laser, LiDAR, or any number of remote sensing system or camera. Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Thus, it can simulate as many senses as possible, such as a 3D view, vision, hearing, touch, even smell. The computer also transforms into great keeper to the artificial world. Okay, so this is some of the application that we can see in our networking, or when we browse internet nowadays. Okay, this is some of the reference that used in Shah Alam also. So that's all for today. You maybe later on I'll give some of the assignment or tasks for this chapter. This is our last chapter, but for the lab you have to manage to complete the task after Raya. Okay, thank you very much for today. Have a nice day.